with the moisturizer and put lotion on your toes and your hands to keep everything soft. I'm gonna test it out and see how it looks in the closet. So I was like, of course I'm gonna need to put something over. And then figure out and some. I like the pickles and the Colgate, so I'll try. It's not really DIY, it's just we're gonna get something together. Looking like I'm gonna watch Woman King.
Oh, you do cover sheet.
Hey y'all, so I'm back. So, baskets. I got 2 of these. It wasn't what I was looking for, but I'm gonna see how they work in that closet. But I got these gold baskets from Dollar Tree, y'all, and look at it. Nice and inexpensive. And then just because I got like the holes in them, I got this liner, the shelf liner, so I can like put inside of it. So like, cause I'm gonna test it out and see how it looks in the closet. So I was like, of course I'm gonna need to put something over it. So I just got this liner to put in it, so stuff won't be like seeping through. Winter roses as well, like I said, and then I got some more hangers. So I got 4 more today, so that makes 70 hangers in all, so we doing good. This should be enough hangers for right now. Also, I got some lotion and some more Colgate. We need some more Colgate. Hopefully the right one. Oh no, I got Chris. I picked up Chris after I thought it was Colgate. And those we need some more Colgate. So that's why. But I got some lotion. I got this one. It's a Vaseline brand. So let's see how this one do. And it says non-greasy. I like that. And, you know, springtime coming in as well. So that's good. But yeah, that's it. And I got me some pickles. Made me some pickles today. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I'ma take it easy for a minute, and then I'ma, well first, let me see. Cause I wanna put these towels that I got yesterday, the washcloths, in this little basket. So they just won't be in there, just, you know, just in here, in the bag. Let's see how this looks. They had different shapes as well. They had some round ones and some smaller ones. Let's see how these look. I got gray and brown towels. That's what I got. I know, cause I don't know why I thought I had a towel. Oh, I was about to say, why is that trash in there? Oh, that's only 2. Oh, might as well probably put. I don't know, he probably did. So this is how it looks. Yeah, it looks good. Just turn these around. Yeah. Innovative. Just a little something. I want to see it. Of course I want to see it. Okay. Okay, I'm about to put the hangers in the room and then figure out, I think I'm gonna just work with my perfume, my lotions, and put that stuff in there. Just so that, cause it's back disorganized. Look at that. I got a lot of stuff. Well, we got a lot of stuff. Ain't gotta be organized. But all right, y'all. I did everything that I said I was gonna do. End up spending $16. Well, almost $17. Just rounded. That was pretty good. That was everything that we said we was gonna get, and some. I like the pickles and the Colgate. So I'll try to get some eggs at the Dollar Tree, but they ain't had no eggs. I need some eggs. So I'm gonna go back out and get some eggs. And I'm gonna get some bread as well. Ooh, I'm tired. No, I'm not tired. I'm just a little winded. Because I walked to the leasing office, walked back, and had to go up the stairs. All right. But I'm not gasping for air. Yeah. That's good. All right, y'all. A lady complimented me on my hair today. I was like, oh, thank you. I was like, thank you. So yeah. What are you about to do now? Well, yeah, I already told y'all what I'm gonna do. But yeah, y'all be good, and I'll be back later. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm back. So we're gonna do a little DIY project or something. It's not really DIY, it's just we're gonna get something together. So this is the liner that I got. So what I'm gonna do is place it in the basket, the gold basket, and line it up and cut off what I need. Cut. There we go. And look at that liner in there. Just how it looks on the back. It looks better. I don't know, on the camera, because I'm making it look a little crunchy. But this is how it looks, y'all. This is how it looks. So let me get a few things and then let me show y'all what we're going for. If you know me, do a lot of I wear a lot of Bath and Body Works because that's in the budget. They're really expensive. Like so this is how it's looking. Don't that look good? Wow, don't that look good? That look just so like, oh, we getting organized. We getting together. Here we go. Put it in here, home. Look, it fits, y'all. Look, it fits perfect in there. Like, that's perfect. You just need like, you just fill it up. Okay, so now I know. So I'm just put the last one right beside it, and then yeah, I'm gonna go get some more of those because it looks very, very good. I like it, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like. I'm gonna watch Woman King, and then eat those pickles and relax for a minute, and I'll see y'all in the bed. Oh, so happy Tuesday. I got some Chobani raspberry on the bottom. Pomegranate with that. But I actually slept on my own last night. It took me a while, but I did sleep. I slept pretty gorgeous in my oh, it's some olives. I'm gonna take them too. I'm gonna just put these in here because I might need all over. Bonnie! Bonnie! Babe! I'm coming on. I can't. Almonds, just a handful of them, I guess. Hopefully they don't get wet, like soak. That looks yummy. Babe! Hey y'all, so I just want to come up here and do a little voice over. So what you seeing me doing on this day? Okay, I'm cooking some eggs. This was in the morning, and I did not record me going to work. So shout out to this new job. But I did not record after this, so this is all y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see me basically running around in this 2-feet kitchen, well 2x2 kitchen, with my head still not done. But I was not late. This is my first day, and yes, I got dishes in the sink. And there go those eggs. Finally finished. Yeah, they was nasty. Very, very nasty. Very nasty, y'all. But I think that's it. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching. And here is the next clip where Bonnie is about to put together our first chair. And then, yeah, and that's going to be it for this video. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching these videos. This is the 7-day challenge. Hope y'all stay tuned and subscribe. And thank y'all. Some more. Hey y'all, so we in the house now. Bonnie is taking it out. Say hey, Bonnie.
We're about to transform our home, our humble beginnings. So this will be our first DIY. We're trying to set up the couch, our new couch. So yeah, I hope.
It's a mini one time.
This is gonna be. Then you go mess up. It's okay. I got it.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Where did you get that from, honey?
We got it from Walmart. I was like, what in the world? So, it's crazy. I never put my lunch in that fridge no more. And to tell you, honey, I was
And I text you like deep in an hour. Because I knew we was going to be moving. I just knew the last day of work.
when she went home, she's like, oh, I had good lunch today.
I'm going.
We don't have rice?
But I didn't make any, like, I didn't bring none from the house that we have right now. So I thought it was going to be fine. You want me to make you some?
No, it's fine.
I'll make you some rice.
Babe, it's fine. We can eat what's there.
You sure? You ain't gonna be looking at me tonight crazy?
Mm-hmm.
Nope, that's not what I want to see you doing. Don't make it sure. Because we got that. That'll be fine.
Yeah.
Cause you know, honestly, why I didn't put it. You don't even have a storage. A storage. But can I see this? Remember that? No, we don't need that. I'm gonna just put it in what the box is where the bed is.
This?
Yeah.
No, I have. I don't know.
Why are you putting all that trash in there?
No trash.
Huh?
No trash. What?
I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. How I put it in there?
Let's see. We can take a picture of first. Take a picture.
Right in front of the window?
Over there.
Huh?
But for all of us, I want you to come see.